like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn it.